So we're back at the unit. It is our final move out. Just wanted to show you all what we've done. We are completely moved out of our storage unit. Yay, it's empty. We've been here a good little while, and we noticed something. Our RV is starting to sink. Gonna feed the pup and head to the hardware store. What in the world? Hey! What do we have here? I thought you was coming to take the dog out.
So I decided to build a deck. Since it's autumn and I matched the leaves, I think I'll wear my Crespo exclusive. And we're building a deck so that we don't walk in the mud once we get on the truck.
I love the ramp.
Yeah, it's fun. I figured we cut some booty like clip.
That's a bootsy.
I was thinking maybe we could just cut some holes in it. We could do like cornhole.
That's a massive cornhole.
While we're doing it. I was surprised the teak lawn stayed up. But don't touch it. It's a house of cards. House of cards. So we want to come here, do an L shape, go back towards the driveway. We'll probably put some little grass here. Then we can look out to the woods just behind us.
Bootsy! Bootsy, come! Yeah, he's coming. You just don't know it yet. Bootsy! Come! There it is. It's the slowest come ever, but we're working on it. Good boy. Get away from my camera.
Let us know in the comments below what you would like to see more of.
Yeah, he's ready to go inside. It's time to move on to the next phase, which is insulating underneath the RV. We don't have any footage of this because soon after these pictures were taken, we had to take down our entire setup. That night though, Ty had a great idea to repurpose the insulation boards and attach them to our RV slide outs. That's what I'm doing up on the roof. If you're wondering how we kept warm during the winter without insulating underneath our RV, come back in 2 weeks. We'll show you.